Hey guys, this is Galactic from Galactic's Tutorials, and as you can see, I changed my intro. Now, the reason I changed my intro is because in this video I'm going to show you how to make an intro, and I thought you probably wouldn't want to take my advice if I had a pretty crappy intro, like I did before. Anyway, so in this video I'm going to separate it, like the process of creating an intro, into 3 sections. One is the easier way to create an intro, the second one is slightly more difficult, and the third is the most difficult. Now, the first one is basically takes place on this website, flixpress.com. You have to register, it's pretty easy. Then once you've done that, just log in. Now, on this website, some intros you actually have to pay for, but I'm going to look at all the free ones because I realize that no one really likes paying for anything when making YouTube videos. So basically, you get all these intros. There's like a couple more free ones right over here. Well, it's just one, but whatever. So this one is more for gaming. This one's for like tutorials. It could also be used for gaming. This one's obviously for music. But really, they can go along with literally anything. This one's more of like a news thing though. Anyway, so I'm just going to create one of them. Here's how it looks. Now, all I have to do is click agree. And if you don't like the color of it, or if you don't like the sound, you could change the audio track. So I'm just going to have it like that. Anyway, so if you don't like it, if you want it like green or something, you do that. Anyway, so all you have to do is type in what you want to say in the description. Now, if you actually want to pay money for this and you want it to be a little more clear, then all you have to do is click this and it'll be 720p, which is HD. Well, not 1080. It's not 1080p, but whatever. So I'm not going to click that because I don't want to spend my money. And submit your order. Now your order will come on my account. As you can see, I've already created one. So just click download SD and it should appear in your downloads. And it should look like this. There's one problem with this though. As you can see, it's not the highest of quality. So it's not exactly going to look that great if your videos are in large screen. So if you want a bit higher quality, then go on to the next one. Now, the next one occurs also on a website, but it's a little more than that. So you have to go on movietools.info, and basically what this is it's a website in which it has a bunch of video loops. So like this one, for example. And I have hundreds, literally, and they're all just movie loops. They're all free. So this one's like this. You could, if you have Apple, download. This is the download link. If you have a Windows computer or Linux, this is the other download link. So basically, it takes a really long time to download, and it's a bit annoying. I'm not gonna lie. But once you've downloaded it, I've downloaded this one. It should look like this. It's just a movie loop. It's like 10 seconds long. So once you've downloaded it, go on to iMovie or Movie Maker, whichever one you have. So let it load for a bit. As you can see, this is the final product of it. Basically, all you have to do is create a new project. It's pretty easy. Name it whatever you feel like. Then click... Click import, go into movies, or wherever you have it saved. If you have it saved in the downloads, then it's right over here. But I've already imported the file, so just scroll down to where it's imported. It's right over here, double click it, and drag it over here. If you have Movie Maker, the process is a little different, but you should have a general understanding of Movie Maker if you have a Windows computer. Anyway, so just drag in some random text. Preferably moving text, because no one really wants to see the numbers move while the text doesn't. So I feel like using Yeah, sorry, I had a bit of a heart attack. Yeah, turns out you couldn't change the font on that one, but it doesn't matter because this one's better. Watch my videos. An imperative statement. Anyway, so if you want to change the font, click on Show Fonts. If it says it, as shown you, you could change the size of the font, but obviously don't make it too big or else it won't show it. You can also change the way it looks. I prefer impact. Looks kind of weird sideways, actually. I guess I'm going to do this one then. I like bolding it. Okay. Oh, no. It's too big. Okay, that's better. Anyway, so it should look like something like this. It looks pretty cool. You can, if you want to, you could trim it because obviously you don't want all that leftover footage. Once done, just finalize your project right over here. You really could have added music if you wanted to. You could have added that soundtrack from FlixPress. That sounds pretty cool. Just wait for it to finalize. At the maximum, I believe the quality is 960 by, I don't know. Let me look. Just exit out of your project, and then right-click your project, and then click Export Movie. Yeah, the maximum quality for this is 960 by 540 because of the background. Anyway, you could export to whatever you want or wherever you want. And yeah, basically you have that done. It's almost instantaneous and looks like this. Now this is actually a lot more clear up close, but it's not that much clearer. Just a quick announcement, if you want a GIMP tutorial, check out my first video, how to make a Minecraft banner. Now back to step 3. Okay guys, so if you truly want an HD image for your intro or animation, then you're going to have to create it in GIMP or Photoshop. GIMP is basically what I'm using. It's a free software. The link is in the description. Now, what you're going to need prior to this is probably a few images that you want in your intro. I'm going to use a troll face for the sake of trolling on the internet. Basically, if you're creating like gaming videos that are trollish, then this is a good idea. I don't really feel like making guns and like good ones and like copying and pasting them into here. So I'm just gonna draw them right now. They look pretty cool, right? Yeah, you got your little scopes and looks more like a guy actually. So yeah, this is what you got, and if you like it, if you like what you see, you're gonna go and export it. You could save it as the same thing, it doesn't matter. I'm going to save it as a PNG, but you could save it as a JPEG. Then, once done, go into Movie Maker. And, you know, you could, that's actually this video. But, Inception, bro. But yeah, you could, go back into this project. You could just go from your downloads and put your picture in. And since I honestly hate the layout of the Mac computer, if you have Windows, this is going to be way easier for you. And it's going to look a lot less stupid. Well, even though this is pretty stupid. But anyway, you could make it look like this. And yeah, I think I might crop it actually. Crop. Okay, so it's cropped. It's going to look like this. And this is my intro. Oh god. I'll make it sideways. No, that won't fit. Okay, it's upside down. How do you guys like my intro? Yeah, that's your intro, guys. And then you could add music. And, okay, I'm going to put my Galactics tutorial theme. I'm going to put you right over here. And then I'm going to add my own text. And I'm going to... No, wrong text. Sorry, guys. So I'm just trolling with you. And then you gotta like put it like right over here. Oh, and go like a derp. You might want to change the font, make it a little bit darker. Okay, that's bad. I'll make it like this. Okay. So how do you guys like it? See, I made, and then all I have to do is like finalize it, and boom, you got your amazing intro, guys. I hope this helped you. I'm sorry I got lazy at the end, but honestly, I didn't feel like outlining a bunch of guns and stuff because I did that before for my other channel, and it didn't turn out so good. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope you make great videos with great intros in the future. Goodbye.